Hi, my name is Ashley Dodd Jones, and I want to tell you a little bit about my practicum website. Everything can be explored across the top. We'll start with About Me, where you'll find my resume, as well as my professional philosophy and intellectual freedom information. The next section is my practicum hours, where I've documented how many hours I spent at each of my practicum sites. Then is my practicum blog. This is what I had the most fun completing and getting to document everything that I completed while at my practicum sites. The next section are the performance tasks that I had to complete, the face-to-face reading collaborative unit, the online staff development workshop and video that I created, the grant application that I would have applied for, as well as my school library media interviews that I did with each of my sites. The next one are the Georgia School Library Standards, which we'll come back to in just a moment. And then the last section is my professional learning network. This is where I've included social media accounts, websites, and blogs that I enjoy following. For Standard 1, I chose my TPAC lesson plan and my intellectual freedom philosophy. Together, these work samples show how I foster equity, inclusion, and positive learning experiences for all students. These artifacts also demonstrate my readiness to lead ethically and support both my school community and the broader profession. The Instructional Practices Standard is reflected in my Instructional Design unit and my face-to-face collaborative lesson. The design unit shows my ability to plan effective, evidence-based instruction that supports multiple literacies, while the reading lesson highlights my collaboration with a classroom teacher to co-plan and deliver meaningful instruction. Together, they demonstrate my commitment to collaboration, strong teaching practices, and continuous improvement for student success. The Information Literacy Standard is shown through my Caldecott Award presentation, digital citizenship resources, and my classroom library book analysis. The Caldecott presentation teaches students about book awards while highlighting diversity in children's literature. My digital citizenship lesson supports ethical and responsible technology use, which is an essential part of information literacy. These samples show how I promote critical thinking, ethical tech use, and a love of reading through intentional resource selection. In Standard 4, my SMP uses school and community data to guide goals, budgets, and policies that ensure fair access. My reflective essay highlights the need for inclusive, culturally responsive collections, and my genre organization presentation shows how thoughtful management makes the library easier for students to use. Together, these pieces demonstrate my ability to manage resources effectively and build a student-centered library program. For Standard 5, my work samples show my growth as a leader in the school library field through collaboration, advocacy, and professional learning. I guide colleagues in using emerging technologies, analyze district decisions to advocate for stronger support for teachers and students, and design professional learning that boosts engagement through technology. Together, these artifacts demonstrate my readiness to lead ethically, collaborate effectively, and support both my school community and the broader profession. I truly enjoyed my practicum this semester and look forward to having a library that I can call my own.